If you work outside, or in a busy environment where accidents can occur, then having the best rugged tablet for your needs is essential. Rugged tablets are often more expensive than the non-rugged brethren, but the money you save on not having to repair or replace damaged devices will more than make up for the initial outlay. The best rugged tablet feature reinforced screens to stop them cracking, and durable bodies that won't break if you drop them. However, they should also maintain the slim and light designs. These rugged tablets also boast many of the features regular tablets offer, such as bright and vibrant touchscreens, huge collections of apps, and easy-to-carry designs, while also adding a layer of ruggedness that keeps them protected. While you want to get a rugged tablet that's as slim and light as the iPad Air 2, it doesn't mean you should have to lug around a chunky and unwieldy tablet either. So, to help you find the best rugged tablet, we've put together this list, which gather the top shock and drop-proof tablets on the market today. Read: Best Cheap Tablets, Best Android Tablets 1. Panasonic Toughpad EX71, weight 450 grams, dimensions 203mm by 18mm by 132mm, OS Windows 10 Pro, screen size 7-inch, resolution 1280 by 800 pixels, CPU Intel Core M56Y57 VPRO, RAM 4GB, storage 128GB, micro SD slot, yes, battery approximately 3220 mAh, rear camera 8MP, front camera 2MP, very well protected display designed for bright conditions. Price: battery life isn't the best if you're working outside, then the Panasonic Toughpad EX71 is easily one of the best rugged tablets on the market today. This is thanks not only to its tough design that is shock-resistant to drops of up to 180 cm, but also because the display has been designed to be used outdoors in bright sunlight, so you'll still be able to use the Panasonic Toughpad EX71 no matter how bright your surroundings are. The screen supports 10-finger multi-touch, it runs on Windows 10 Pro, it's water and dust resistant and comes with a configuration port for a variety of expansions: serial, LAN, 2D barcode reader, NFC.2, Getac F110, weight 139 grams, dimensions 314 by 207 by 24.5mm, OS Windows 10 Pro, screen size 11.6-inch, resolution 1366 by 768 pixels, CPU Intel Core Y7660U 2.6 GHz, RAM 4GB, storage 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, 1TB, micro SD slot, no but can be added via expansion slot, battery 2160 mAh, rear camera 1080p optional, front camera 8MP optional, then and light dual battery, expensive lack of ports. If you're looking for a rugged Windows tablet that can withstand an impressive amount of punishment, then the Getac F110 is an excellent choice. Its durable body can withstand moisture, extreme temperatures and drops, without it being bulky or heavy. It is certified to MIL STD810G, 1P65 and MIL STD461F standards. The most recent version of this tablet comes with 6th generation Intel Core processors, so there's plenty of power here, and a dual battery system means you can easily swap them out without having to pause. Point 3. HP ElitePad 1000, weight 1.5 kilograms, dimensions 215.15 by 287.1 by 36.4mm, OS Windows 10, screen size 10.1-inch, resolution 1920 by 1200 pixels, CPU Intel Atom Bay-Trail TZ3795 quad-core 1.6 GHz SoC BGA, RAM 4GB, storage 128 GB, micro SD slot, no, battery 4615 mAh, rear camera 8MP, front camera 2.15MP. Great business features, good price, not the most powerful tablet, lack of ports. The HP ElitePad 1000 is a fantastic business laptop, and it can be configured to come in a rugged design. That is IP65 and MIL STD810G tested. It can withstand a 6 feet drop onto linoleum-covered concrete. It features an Intel Atom processor, which isn't the most powerful CPU, but it's still capable of handling most business applications. Biometric security keeps your important data safe, and HP also offers a range of accessories, such as docking stations and additional batteries. 4. Panasonic Toughbook CF33 weight 276 grams, dimensions 313.0 by 288.4 by 46.1 mm, OS, Windows 10, screen size 12-inch, resolution 2160 by 1440, CPU, Intel Core i5-7300U processor, RAM 8GB, storage 256GB, battery 1990 mAh, rear camera 8MP, front camera 1080p 2-in-1, design great screenshot, battery life expensive. The Panasonic Toughbook CF33 is a 2-in-1 rugged device, which means it has an attachable keyboard that allow it to work as either a laptop or as a tablet. When in tablet mode, the Toughbook CF33 is an excellent durable machine, with MIL STD461F, MIL STD H10G and IP65 certification, which means it can survive shocks, drops, liquids and dust. The battery life is a bit on the short side compared to other rugged tablets on this list, but you can quickly swap out the battery when you need extra time. You can also buy extended batteries that double the run time from 10 hours to 20. This is an additional cost, however. 5. Dell Latitude 12 rugged tablet weight 162 grams, dimensions 312 by 203 by 24 mm, OS, Windows 10 Pro, screen size 11.6 inch, resolution 1366 by 768, CPU, Intel Core M5Y71, RAM 8GB, storage 128GB, battery 26W. Very solidly built, great value for money. Old processor gets hot. Dell is another well-known brand that produces rugged tablets. The Dell Latitude 12 is one such device, and Dell has recently updated the model with more up-to-date components, though the processor still feels a little outdated. However, you do get an excellently built tablet that has IP65, MIL STD H10G and IP810G certifications rather than merely meeting the standards in laboratory tests. Dell's customary high build quality is evident here, and while it isn't the most glamorous looking tablet, it does the job of withstanding harsh conditions and accidental drops. Price-wise, the Dell Latitude 12 is also pretty competitive, and as with other Dell products, you're able to configure the hardware to meet your specific needs and budget. 6. Samsung Galaxy Tab Active weight 393 grams, dimensions 213.1 by 126.2 by 9.7 mm, OS, Android 6.0, screen size 8-inch, resolution 800 by 1280 pixels, CPU, quad-core 1.2 GHz Cortex A7, RAM 1.5 GB, storage 16 GB, micro SD slot, yes, battery 4450 mAh, rear camera 3.15 MP, front camera 1.2 MP, survives natural elements, good battery life. Now the most robust rugged tablet, small storage space. Unlike other rugged tablets on this list, the Samsung Galaxy Tab Active isn't designed for industrial grade protection. However, what it does provide is IP67 certification for dust and water ingress, and a battery that lasts between 8 to 10 hours. Plus, it supports replaceable batteries, so you can keep on working even if you're away from the power supply, and it's drop tested to 1.2 meters. A decent camera and NFC technology are included, and it's rounded off with Samsung's customary excellent build quality. 7. Xplore Xslate D10 weight 109 grams, dimensions 281 by 180 by 22 mm, OS, Android 6.0, screen size 10.1 inch, resolution 1366 by 768, CPU, Intel Bay Trail E3845 quad-core 1.91 GHz, RAM 4 GB, storage 64 GB, battery up to 8 hours, rear camera 5 MP, front camera 2 MP, good screen for outdoor use. Decent price, not the fastest tablet, battery life isn't great. This 10.1-inch Android tablet can withstand drops up to 5 feet, as well as being water and dust resistant. While it's bulkier and heavier than non-rugged tablets, it's still portable enough to be easily carried around work sites. Its screen isn't the highest resolution, but with the 500 nit backlight, it is excellent for use in direct sunlight. It's not the most powerful tablet on this list, but it's a more affordable alternative for people who want to use an Android device outside and on the road. 8. Getac Z710 weight 780 grams, dimensions 218 by 142 by 27 mm, OS Android 6.0, screen size 7-inch, resolution 1280 by 720, CPU Intel Atom X5Z8350, RAM 2 GB, storage 32 GB, 64 GB, battery 8400 mAh, rear camera 8 MP, front camera 2 MP. Nice design, good display. Not the most powerful screen, suffers in direct sunlight. The Getac Z710 is a handy rugged tablet that does pretty much everything you'd want from an Android tablet, while coming in a rugged body. Design-wise, the Getac Z710 is one of the better-looking rugged tablets we've seen, and it comes with a number of business-orientated features that make it an excellent choice for enterprise use. The 7-inch screen is crisp and responsive to touch, but it does have a habit of showing off glare in direct lights. It has been tested for drops up to 6 foot, and is MIL SD810G certified, while Corning Gorilla Glass protects the screen from shattering. Looking for a laptop that can withstand the elements? Check out our list of the best rugged laptops.